Hi, everyone. Just a short update for today. First off, thank you last week for engaging in the conversation when we tried to kind of integrate or synthesize the motivational framework with so many other things that you've been learning this semester. It was my not so sneaky way of helping you to be able to think on a bigger level. So we've been looking at a lot of little pieces and parts throughout this class, and I'm hopeful that the work that went into kind of preparing your post for that discussion helped you to kind of think of the bigger picture of things. I think for some of you, doing that will help you with your revised teaching philosophy, which is due at the end of this week, remember. Also, I hope that the process of going through that also helped you to start to think towards kind of this meta reflection or this meta analysis that you'll be doing and then culminating in a paper at the very end of the semester. So scaffolding towards being able to do that was our intent with that discussion. If for some reason you weren't able to engage with that discussion or do the work of it, even though the week is done, I would highly suggest that you take the time to do that on your own. I think it's going to be a valuable activity. And read over the posts of your classmates as well. A lot of really interesting ways that people were thinking about and synthesizing their learning. So that was last week. Moving on to this week, really excited that we are starting our first of 3 weeks of our team facilitations on various methods. I will be, even though I'm not facilitating these sessions, I am still absolutely going to be looking into the discussions. Sometimes, if and as appropriate, sometimes I'll participate a little bit, but I'm definitely going to be reading and seeing what's going on in those. I'm not going to step on the toes of the team doing the facilitating, but if you are doing the facilitating, when it's your week and you need anything from me, just let me know. You can either let me know individually or in a discussion. Hey, Leanne, could you help to address this? Or there's a question here that we can't answer. So I will step back. You won't see me being super present, but I am absolutely still there to support and learn with all of you as needed. So that, of course, will be our next 3 weeks, those team facilitations. Yeah, if there's anything that you need, as always, just reach out to me. Again, remember to get your second draft or your final draft of your philosophy ready to go and ready to submit by the end of this week, and let me know if you need any support towards that as well.